Hello there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I have found a show-stopping top. Whatever occasion you are shopping for, you have found the perfect top to add to dressy pants or a skirt or even a pair of jeans. This is a non-stop sparkly sequin top. It's from KARIN. I'm wearing it in the size large, and this green is just fantastic. So it's one shoulder asymmetrical. It's got a kind of like a sleeveless sleeve opening on one side, and then the other side dips down over your shoulder. Now it does have a lining, kind of a stretchy material all the way through. So sequins can sometimes be a little itchy, a little scratchy feeling against the skin, but they've solved that problem with this top because you have a very comfortable lining all the way through. I have found it to be fitting me just right. I'm wearing the size large. If you wanted it to be looser, especially along the waistline or at the bottom, I highly suggest getting a larger size, sizing up from your regular size. This has been such a beautiful, flattering go-to top for any special occasion. Whether I want to go girls' night, date night, I've got something else I want to go to. This top is so easy to bring the party. I am really loving it. I keep reaching for it, and I feel like it's going to add just the right amount of sparkle to whatever you're looking for too. And that is my point of view.